everyone. We are going to learn about leavening agent. Do you all know what is a leavening agent? Don't worry, I got you covered. Today we are going to see about leavening agent and their role in baking. In baking, leaven means to make dough lighter by adding gas. It is often carbon dioxide. There are different types of leavening agent. Biological agents like yeast, physical agents like air, chemical agents like baking soda, baking powder, cream of tart. The main idea of leavening agent is to help create lighter, fluffier baked goods by introducing air or gas into doughs and batters. Let's see how a leavening agent works. These leavening agents work by capturing and trapping air or carbon dioxide within the batters and doughs. This gives a textureful impact. Proper leavening results in light and airy texture. Incorrect air formation can lead to flat, tough, and dense baked goods. Example: baking powder, baking soda, yeast, and cream of tart. To make things easier, we are going to brief you more about leavening agent through an experiment. The main goal of this experiment is to make you understand the importance of correct proportions of leavening agents in cupcakes. We are going to have 3 cupcakes. In the first cupcake, the correct proportion of baking soda and baking powder are added. In the second cupcake, lesser amount of baking soda and baking powder are added. In the third cupcake, higher amount of baking soda and baking powder are added. After baking all the cupcakes as per the proportions mentioned before, we are going to learn about how the leavening agents brings about changes in different aspects of the cupcake. Firstly, we are going to see how the leavening agents influence the volume of the cupcakes. In the first cake, there is a perfect rise and open porosity. In the second cake, there is a slight rise and limited pore. In third cake, it has been over-rised and there is a collapsed center. The leavening agent not only influences volume, but it also has a greater influence on taste. In the first cake, it is fluffy and has a perfectly balanced sweetness. In the second cake, it is soapy and has a grainy taste. In third cake, it has a metallic taste that is undesirable. The other aspect that visually shows the influence of leavening agent is the crumb color. The first cake has a white crumb color which has a low pH. In the second cake, it has a golden brown crumb color which has an ideal pH. In third cake, it has a darker crumb color with high pH. To conclude, I hope everyone would have understood from the experiment that these leavening agents play a crucial role in achieving the right texture, taste, and appearance in baked goods. Using correct proportion of leavening agents like baking soda and baking powder ensures proper rise, balanced taste, and ideal crumb color.